guys, this is what your clove water looks like after it has really fermented. This is how it's going to look like, and this is how it should be. So in case you are making yours, make sure yours is this way. So let me show you guys how I got this mixture and how you should do it to get same recipe like this. And also watch the video to the very end, because I'll be showing you the dosages, how you should take it, and what you should do to make sure it works for your body. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use cloves for lots of stuff. The wonderful power of cloves, the amazing power of cloves. For those of you who haven't seen cloves before, this is what it looks like. This is how it is. So these cloves are very good for the body. It helps to cleanse the system, rid of bacteria, clean infection, tighten the vagina, and lots more. So it helps to prepare you for conception. So you might be wondering, okay, where can I get these clothes from? You can get it from a local market, from the mall, or I can leave a link down below for you guys to purchase your clothes from there. Okay, so all you need to do is to get 75 cl of water. I got my water here. I got a water jug, 75 cl. So that's the kind of measurement you should use to get appropriate result. So I have my jug over here, my 75 cl of water, and I'm going to be measuring 2 tablespoons of cloves inside the jug. Okay, so 1, 2. This is the second spoon. So I just measured in 2 tablespoons of the cloves inside the jug. As you can see, it's here right now. So all we need to do is to leave it overnight for 24 hours to infuse well into the water, to dissolve into the water. And by the time it has dissolved, the color changes. So this water you're seeing over here, it will change to brownish color. So let's just wait and see how it will look like. I'll be showing you guys the outcome of it. Okay, so let's just wait. I'm going to be keeping it overnight for 24 hours. I'll keep it for 24 hours, and I'll let you guys know the outcome, and I'll let you guys know the dosage and what you should do, what you shouldn't do, to make sure you get effective results and see good results in your usage. And by God's grace, you definitely will see results after using this drink. Okay, so guys, 24 hours later, and here we are. This is what we have over here. So can you see that I told you all that it's going to be brownish once it's 24 hours later infused well into the water. So this is what it looks like, and we're going to be taking a glass cup of it. Yeah, that's all you need. Take a glass cup of this daily for your system. You drink it first thing in the morning, and you notice changes in your body. Or you could also use it in another way, which is taking a glass cup of this and using it to wash your inner body. Okay, that also helps. Is to wash your system and wash your body down there. So let's sieve it out and take our glass cup. So let's get oh, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very brown, like brownish. This is how it should be, because this, you want it to work effectively for you. So take this glass cup daily, or you could use this to wash your vagina. Also, you could use it to wash down there. Just in a bowl, add a little warm water and use it to wash down there. Okay, it works also. This clove is very effective to cleanse your system, to tighten your body, and a lot more. So to cleanse out infections. So that's the power of cloves. Okay, you should do this twice a week. Twice a week is okay. Just take it 3 times a week, and you see great changes in your body.